Hello, 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 MP family. Alicia here, introducing you to the newest My Best Hair Starter Kit. So I used to sell, or Nptresstreats used to sell, however you want to call it, an all TEAL with, so it would be like the TEAL bonnet, the TEAL scrunchie, along with a TEAL scarf. But I really like printed scarves with the My Best Hair Starter Kits. I don't know, I feel like they're cuter, right? Like some people like the solids, and you can buy your solid scarves from the scarves collection, but I am starting to prefer the printed scarves with the My Best Hair Starter Kit. So anyway, moving on, I am introducing you to the newest My Best Hair Starter Kit, and it is going to be TEAL, of course, like I just showed you. So a TEAL bonnet with a TEAL scrunchie, and then this printed scarf here. Isn't it freaking gorgeous? And that's why I like printed scarves for the My Best Hair Starter Kit, because I feel like it just, I don't know, it's so, like, the colors, like, they complement each other, right? Like, it just goes together. You know what I mean? So that's the newest My Best Hair Starter Kit. And again, it's the My Best Hair Starter Kits come with a scarf, a bonnet, and a scrunchie, because it's awesome, right? Like, you can do a pineapple with the scarf and the bonnet over it. You can use the scarf to cover your pillowcase so you're not sleeping on, to cover your pillow so you're not sleeping on cotton, and then cover your hair with the bonnet. You can use a scrunchie for a pineapple, for your wrists. I mean, whatever you want to do. So yeah, so that is the newest My Best Hair Starter Kit. Bye.